Good morning, children. How are you? Today I am going to tell you about the question answers, exercise work, and some in between questions of the chapter Judiciary. And today I will give you some of the tips also how to prepare for your exams and how to get the success in your exams and in your life. So be ready with your pen, paper, and book so that you can note down all the things, and one notebook also. So note your work. So that is first question is choose the correct options, and the first is the Court of Sessions judge tries criminal cases. C is correct answer. C is the option. The highest state level court for appeal is B is correct option, and the answer is High Court. The answer is High Court. Third, the first time Lok Adalat was held, it settled dash cases in one day. And the answer is D. D for dog, 150 cases. 150 cases. Then fourth, retirement age of a High Court judge is dash. And the answer is B. 62 years. 62 years. 62. Fifth, dispute over money and property can be categorized as civil cases. Civil cases. D is correct option. Now fill in the blanks. The maximum number of judges in the Supreme Court is 26. 25 other judges and one the Chief Justice of India. It means there are 26 judges. The jurisdiction of Guwahati, Guwahati, Guwahati Court extends to the state of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram. So, have you noted down? Fill in the blanks. First is 26, second is Guwahati. And then third, the Supreme Court advises the president. Advises the president, P will be capital, on constitutional issues. Fourth, Lok Adalat, L-O-K, Lok, A-D-A-L-A-T, Adalat, Lok, L capital, Adalat, A capital, provides swift and inexpensive justice. Fifth, the Supreme Court and the High Court exercise appellate jurisdiction over lower courts. Appellate, A-P-P-E-L-L-A-T-E, appellate jurisdiction over lower courts. Now come to the true or false. First is true. Many states in India share a common High Court. Number two, the High Court is the interpreter of the Constitution of India. That is true. Third, High Court hears appeals in civil, criminal, and revenue cases only. That is false. It works, High Court works as the Supreme Court. The powers and functions are like Supreme Court. Okay. And then fourth, the Supreme Court and High Court maintain a record of all decisions. That is true. Then fifth, a Supreme Court judge may be relieved from office if two-thirds majority of parliament votes in favor of removal. True. It means first is true, second is true, third is false, fourth is true, fifth is true. Then question answers. Answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. Number one, name the apex court of the state. The answer is the apex court of India is Supreme Court. The apex court of India is Supreme Court. Then what are Lok Adalats? Come on page number 267 under the heading Lok Adalat. You will find the answer. The process of imparting justice is often a lengthy and expensive affair. To solve this problem, Lok Adalats have been set up. Done? The first line under the heading Lok Adalat, the process of imparting justice is often a lengthy and expensive affair. To solve this problem, Lok Adalats have been set up. They simplify the legal procedure. They simplify the legal procedure. Now, next question. Who heads the Supreme Court? Who heads the Supreme Court? No, third question. Define jurisdiction. What is the meaning of jurisdiction? The answer is given on page number 264. 264. And the answer under the heading jurisdiction of the court, first paragraph, the courts need to function within the limits set by the Constitution. The power of the courts to pass judgments and enforce law within its sphere is known as jurisdiction. Means you can say the powers and functions of a court, civil court, your high court and supreme court are called as the jurisdiction. Okay, so that is third question. Then fourth question, who heads the Supreme Court? The answer is Chief Justice of India heads the Supreme Court. Chief Justice of India heads the Supreme Court. So these were the question answers. Some in between questions what is the age of the retirement of the Chief Justice of India, and the qualification. Give any one qualification required for to become the Chief Justice of India or judge of any court, and where can you find the subordinate court? In city you can find the subordinate court, right? And then how many cases were solved in the first Lok Adalat? 150 cases. In which year? The first Lok Adalat was held in 1985. In this manner, the short questions may be there in between. You prepare for that. And how are you going to prepare? That is most important thing for you now. That first, prepare exercise work. In exercise work, first do MCQ. The correct answers. You learn the correct answers of MCQ of all the chapters which you have done. Then pick up your true or false, because it is also very easy work for you, and in that I have told you no need to go for the corrections, and I will tell you again further for that. So only true or false you have to write. Write true completely, TRUE, and false, FALSE, false. Don't write T or F. Then go for match the following. It is your favorite topic. So match the following, learn correct pairs, and then go for the fill in the blanks. A little bit difficult because you have to learn properly 1 or 2 words for that. So learn fill in the blanks. When you are confident on these answers that you have completely done, you will develop the confidence in yourself, and you will find that you are doing very well. जब आपको याद होता चला जाएगा, आप सब कुछ समझते चले जाएंगे, तो आपको विश्वास अपने ऊपर बढ़ेगा कि मुझे तो सब कुछ याद हो जाता है, मैं बहुत जल्दी याद कर लेती हूँ या कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है, तो जैसे विश्वास का लेवल, आपका बिलीफ लेवल बढ़ता है, तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छा याद होता है, अच्छा काम करते हैं. सो डेवलप द बिलीफ इन योर सेल्फ. उसके बाद में आप 20 वर्ड वाले क्वेश्चन याद कर लीजिए, एंड देन सम इन बिटवीन क्वेश्चन विच आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. Read the chapter carefully, underline the main points where you can think that the short question in between question may come. So learn that, and after that start the questions of 50 and 70 words. और उसमें जो डिफिकल्ट लगते हैं छोड़ दीजिए, इजी वाले याद करिए. इजी याद हो जाए फिर डिफिकल्ट को पकड़िए. So from the small to long, small to big, when you go, you do very well, and when the confidence, belief in yourself, try to develop that, and surely you will get the success in the life also. Thank you and have a nice day.